Hello everyone, I'm Lawal Juliet. I'm from Imo State and I stay here in Lagos, Nigeria. I stay at Yanapada. I'm a tailor, a fashion designer, and I also offer training as well. I saw this training online at V.S.L Concepts, and the training says how to make a minimum of 1 million in a month. That's what they promised in the training. So I said, okay, let me just, I've been seeing all kinds of training online. They promise all kinds of things. I said, okay, let me just give it a try. So, but before now, I went to reviews. I checked out V.S.L Concepts online. I discovered that, they have good reviews. It's a place to be. I said, okay, let me just give it a try. Maybe this could be my last training or something. If it doesn't work out, But by the time I started on day one, in fact, wow, it was an eye-opening event. In fact, what can I express all the things I've learned, so far from day one to today is day 5 now, and my brain is already, in fact, I have so much in my brain that I feel like not even a millionaire now, I feel like a billionaire already. In the training, they did not only show me how to make 1 million in a month, like they said, but they also helped me to implement it in my business, how I'm going to use the skill I've learned so far, the training, to implement it in my business so that I'll make the desired results that I'm supposed to get at the end of the day. This is practical training. There was no hidden secret. Everything was unveiled one after the other, and I was able to get value for my money. In fact, more than, let me say, 200% value for my money. What I paid is less, compared to the knowledge I've gotten. Everything step by step, detailed training. When I say detailed training, from start to finish. So V.S.L Concepts, in fact, I give it to you guys. It's a fantastic place to be. I want to appreciate everybody in V.S.L Concepts. In fact, it's not just an organization, it's like a family. Once you enroll with them, they treat you like a family. So I want to appreciate everybody, from the CEO, all the staff members, even though I don't know their names, but they are wonderful people, they are very warm people, and they make sure they are there to guide you, to help you. You can call them up anytime, chat them up anytime, and they are there to help. Their response is just, like a flash of light. So I really appreciate everybody for all their help, their concern, and their love, for all the students. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. At this point, I recommend everybody that has a skill. You have a skill before and you have not been making money out of it. I recommend everybody to come for this training at V.S.L Concepts. At this training, you'll be able to learn, the secrets of success. Let me just put it that way. So I recommend everybody that has a skill. You have a skill, whatever your skill is, I recommend you for this training at V.S.L Concepts. But you become a millionaire in no time. Right now, guys, I'm telling you that from when I started the training up to now, in fact, there's been a transformation. So watch out for the new millionaire tailor you can ever think of on planet Earth.